Welcome to our CNC Precision Machining World. What I want to share with you today is our professional application of CNC technology. We are committed to providing our customers with the most exquisite processing services. Each process is carefully designed and strictly controlled, ensure product quality meets the highest standards. Whether it's complex components or precision molds, we can all meet your perfect processing needs. Choosing us is choosing quality and reliability. Let's explore the charm of CNC precision machining together.